Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. This is our Tulsi plant. As you know, this is a sacred plant in Hindu religion. This plant is worshipped in many households, and a well-maintained Tulsi plant is an indicator of growth in many families. As you know, Delhi is a semi-deserted area. That's why we need to do extra care of it. So the first basic care that you should do for your plant is pruning. You must prune all the seed pods that are in your Tulsi plant. This is because these seed pods take most of the nutrition that you give to your Tulsi plant. It will make your plant dry and less healthier. So it's always better to prune down all of these seed pods instead of keeping it in your plants. Not only that, but also pruning has lots of benefits. It improves the plant health, enhances the appearance, and lastly, it does lateral branching of the plant, which makes it more bushier. Also, during this process, make sure to remove all the dead, damaged or yellow leaves. Also, as you know, this is the monsoon season. So, during this season, the plants may die because of root rot. This is because of the overwatering of the plants. So, to prevent it, make sure to always check your drainage holes of the plant to see if they are open or not. Here, now we will give some compost. For that, make sure to remove the topsoil and dig it. As you already know, digging helps in aeration. Also, another way to prevent this waterlogging is by digging. Digging helps in the absorption of nutrients better as well. For this compost, you need nothing much. To simply make this, you need some amount of kitchen waste compost. Along with that, you can give some dried leaves. Here, my mom is adding the seed pods she collected from the plants. If you wish to, you can add the seed pods as well. Now lastly, you need to simply add some bioenzyme. If you have not watched how to make compost on our channel yet, then make sure to watch it. Here my mom is giving compost. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.